Are you looking for a new, unique spread for your toast or crackers? Look no further than Dalmatia fig spread. Made with all natural ingredients and no preservatives, this spread is a delicious addition to any meal. The figs used in Dalmatia fig spread are grown in the region of Dalmatia, Croatia, known for its warm Mediterranean climate and rich soil. This results in figs that are not only visually beautiful, but also packed with flavor. The figs are hand-picked and carefully selected for quality before being washed and prepared for spreading. This ensures that each jar of Dalmatia fig spread is of the highest quality. When you open a jar of Dalmatia fig spread, the first thing you'll notice is the rich, sweet aroma. The spread itself is thick and spreadable, with chunks of figs throughout for added texture. The taste is truly something special. The figs are naturally sweet, but not overwhelmingly so. They're balanced out by a subtle tartness that makes for a truly unique and satisfying flavor. Dalmatia fig spread is versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. Spread it on toast or crackers for a simple snack, or use it as a topping for your morning yogurt. You can even use it as a glaze for meat or add it to a cheese plate for a delicious and unexpected twist. So next time you're looking for a new spread to try, give Dalmatia fig spread a chance. You won't be disappointed. The above script is a general idea and it is not a review. It is just general information about Dalmatia fig spread and its uses.